Hi guys, Sam from Silvermere Fitness. We are going to do a healthy Thai green curry today. We've got loads of ingredients, one's two green beans, chicken, peppers, spinach, a little bit of Uncle Ben's rice, and some and chicken. So I've diced the chicken, cut all the veg up. I'm going to brown the chicken with the Thai green paste. When that's brown, I'm then going to add the vegetables. So now the chicken's brown, we're going to add the chopped veg. A can of coconut light, some salt and pepper. Give it a little stir. Lid on, and we're going to leave that to cook for about 20 minutes. Good. So about 10 minutes before it's done, we're adding the spinach and squeezing it. So I've put half pack of Uncle Ben's rice in. I'm now ladling some of the green Thai into the bowl. And just finishing it off with a little bit of light soy sauce.